Hi guys, in this week's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, it is a special 2-year edition of Tiny Tidy Tuesday, so stay tuned to see what happens in that. I am going to be working on deep cleaning the laundry room because that did not get done in my monthly home reset. If you didn't see that video, click the link down below in the description. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and this is my everyday Wi-Fi for every day is a fresh start. Okay, I was up early this morning because I had a migraine. Anyway, I decided I'd get an early start. I am trying to make my bed first thing in the morning before I do anything else, but I did sit on the couch for a little while, had my coffee, had my banana, tried to get rid of my headache, but now I'm getting started and I'm going to do my daily chores, but I'm going to concentrate on doing the laundry room, like I said, because that didn't get done in my monthly home refresh. I'm trying to do my monthly home refresh at the beginning of every month. Whatever doesn't get done, then I will just do throughout the month. And one of the things is to deep clean the laundry room. So I made my bed and I'm going to put these, that jacket and the pants that match it in my declutter bin or my donate bin, because I tried them on the other day and I didn't like them, and yeah, I just went ahead and got the jacket that matched and decided to donate that. I have a basket right here in my bedroom that I put donations in, and I'm gonna do the snap the fingers thing. All right, so guys, if you remember when I first started Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I showed you a 52 item list to declutter your home. I do concentrate on doing decluttering on Tiny Tidy Tuesday, but sometimes I do cleaning too. So let me know what you got done. What did you check off of this list over the last year? I'm not quite at my 52 week yet, but I have done almost 52 things because I have skipped around a little bit. I haven't decluttered in every Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Sometimes I was doing cleaning and whatnot. If you're new here, The Helpful Home and Tiny Tidy Tuesday is hosted by Sunday Dawn, and it is a weekly open collab, and we encourage all of our subscribers to tidy along with us. One of my daily chores is to touch up the bathrooms. I'm not going to totally touch up the bathrooms. I am only going to do the sinks and counters in the master bathroom and in the pool bathroom. And tomorrow I will do something else. Maybe I'll clean the toilets, I fully cleaned the master bathroom and the pool bath. I didn't get to the guest bathroom in my home reset. But so that's also on the list. I'm just trying to do the best I can do and go with that. This is the 2-year anniversary of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I have only actually been doing it for, I think, a year and a half. I had joined late in, even though I've known Sunday Dawn for quite a while. So anyway, Sunday asked us to talk about why we tiny tidied and why we joined this group and how we started YouTube. So I think I'm just going to concentrate on the tiny tidy part. So I've known Sunday Dawn for a while. I don't even know when that was. So I knew her before she started Tiny Tidy Tuesday 2 years ago. But when that happened, I was in a bout of depression that lasted about a year, and I was not doing YouTube at the time. I've had previous bouts of depression, but I got through it and still did YouTube. Not as much YouTube when I was doing it, but that last one was a zinger. It was not good. And then I saw that Sunday Dawn was doing Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'm like, I thought I wasn't going to do YouTube ever again. I thought I was done with it, honestly. And I'm like, you know what? I want to be part of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I want to be part of being friends with Sunday Dawn because I just love her. And so I'm like, let me do this. This is going to encourage me to get my house straightened up again, because if you have depression, during depression, your house gets a mess and, things go by the wayside. So my house needed tidying for sure. And I thought that would be a great way for me to get my feet wet again, doing YouTube and do tidying and get my house back in shape. So thank you, Sunday, for starting this group because I didn't think I was coming back to YouTube, like I said. And now I'm here a year and a half later and still tidying because just doing a little bit each day is the way to go. And some days I can do a lot and some days I can only do a little. And that is why tidying works for me. So I do my 5 daily chores, but I don't necessarily do them all at one time. I would love to do them all 5 daily chores all at one time. But like I said, or did I say that? I have been doing yard work the last couple of days and the tidying didn't get done, unfortunately. So I'm tidying now, but if I stay on top of it, it gets easier and easier. But that doesn't always happen. It just depends what you're doing. And I'm not a spring chicken anymore. I am 59 years old. I have less energy. Sometimes I have chronic fatigue. I'm doing pretty good right now, but sometimes I have chronic pain, fibromyalgia, all the things. You know what? Everybody has something, so I'm not going to go on and on about it, although I just did, didn't I? Anyway, I'm in here in the laundry room doing a deep clean because that didn't get done during my monthly home reset. Everything needed wiped down, and the floors were filthy and sandy and dirty, so I cleaned all that up. Our laundry room tends to be a catch-all. Let me know in the comments below if your laundry room tends to be a catch-all. It's kind of a laundry room, mud room, even though I don't know. It's not really a mud room, but anyway, we take our shoes off in there sometimes and all the things. And when we're doing projects, things just get shoved in there to get it out of the way until it gets put away. So I'm putting away all the things and mopping the floor and wiping down the doors. I don't do everything. I do as much as I can because I still have to do my daily chores, like fold the laundry and do the dishes and make the bed, which I already did, pick up and put away throughout the whole house, and touch up the bathrooms. So Sunday also asked us to talk about how we started YouTube. Well, I don't really quite remember. It's been like 9 years. It will be 9 years in April. Oh my God, yes. I guess I started it because I was just coming off of my first bout of depression. I had 4 bouts of depression. I have Hashimoto's and I have that's a thyroid issue. I don't have a thyroid. I had thyroid cancer and had my thyroid removed, which creates a lot of problems. Anyway, so I needed to be busy, and I watched Cass from Clutterbug, and I love to organize things, and I'm like, you know what? My whole house needs redone because it's a mess from having a bout of depression, so I'm going to go through that. So that's how I got started doing YouTube, and it really has kept me in line, I guess. It encourages me to keep going because I know people are watching, and I am not very self-motivating, so that was an activity, a way to motivate myself to get some stuff done and declutter my home. I've always decluttered my home. I've always had a box in the garage that I fill up and then took to Goodwill. But since doing Tiny Tidy Tuesday and doing YouTube in general, I have been decluttering a lot more. I'm trying to downsize in this house. We're not going anywhere, but I need to downsize what we do have in the house so life can be simpler. That is my word of the year, is simplify. So I need to make all the areas more simply organized, less stuff so I can see everything at a glance, and do tiny tidies, make that more simple instead of trying to do a whole house clean all in one day. I can no longer do that. Some days I have more energy than others. You never know what's going to happen when I wake up in the morning. Some days are good, some days are bad. Lately it's been good, so I'm getting stuff done here. And I say lately has been good. This week has been good. So the last month has not been great because my father passed away, and that is a lot of weight on my shoulders, and I wasn't doing too good. You could tell that by my monthly home reset. I tried the best I could do to do that, but things were weighing on me, and now I feel better because we had the service, and I feel a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, and I'm feeling better, and also getting sunshine and water in my system by doing yard work has been helping, and I feel like I'm getting back in shape again because I was losing it a little bit there. So, but now I'm getting back to it. But isn't that how life happens? You go up and down, up and down. That is life. Things happen. Life happens. Something interrupts you. And you have to get sidetracked and you get back on track again. That's just life. It's not going to be the same exact routine all the time. You have to make changes. I've had to make changes because I'm older now, and to dealing with my Hashimoto's. That happened in 2012 is when, so it's been 12 years now since I've not had a thyroid. So, and I've had to make adjustments along the way. My son came back to live with us, my adult son. So that has been an adjustment. My husband is retired now, so that's been an adjustment. It's been mostly a good adjustment, but he's here 24/7. So that's a thing we have to get used to, being around each other all the time. Although he did work from home for the last 4 years. So he was here, but he was working. So we weren't so much in each other's face all day long. I've not had the house to myself for 4 years. Oh my gosh, I just want the house to myself and turn up the music really loud. I don't think that's happening anytime soon. So there's my finish time. That took like an hour and 47 minutes. I still have to do the kitchen and the dishes and straighten up the family room and possibly get to that paperwork, maybe. And that was on my monthly home reset list, and I didn't do it. And the guest bathroom, aka son's bathroom now, I didn't get to that, but that will happen later today, hopefully. Oh, anyway, thank you, Sunday Dawn, for doing Tiny Tidy Tuesday. If it weren't for this group, I don't know if I would have started back to YouTube. So thank you a million times over. Love ya. Hopefully we can meet up someday. It's on my list. Anyway, I'm going to take a break now. Make sure you take a break if you need to. That's what I'm doing so I can finish my 5 daily chores later. If you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe so you don't miss another video. And make sure you click the playlist so you can be motivated to get some tiny tidies done today. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.